Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. Today is an exciting day. I'm actually on my way to pick up my car. Can't wait to see it. Sugarcoat hasn't sent me any sneak peeks because I told them not to. I love being surprised. So we're on our way now. It was actually done a few days ago, but I've been so busy, like literally with work, so I'm barely going to pick it up today. It's been done, but I really can't wait. I was looking at old photos and I had the pink for about 1.5 years now. I'm sad to see it go, but it's okay. This next color is going to be amazing. It's also by Vinyl Frog, like I mentioned before. If you guys are looking to wrap your car, I definitely recommend their vinyl. It's really nice, super shiny, durable. It lasted me the 1.5 years. No issues, so for sure shop their website. I'll have everything linked down below. And shout out to Sugarcoat once again. They do an amazing job. I really can't wait to see what the car's gonna look like. I'll show you guys some close-ups and I'm so excited. I can't wait. We are about 30 minutes out, so I will pick up the camera once we get there and show you guys the color. We're pulling up. I'm so excited. We're literally around the corner. I'm not gonna see because I don't know if it's inside or outside, so I'm not gonna see, but do you see it?
No.
No? Okay. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I do see it.
You see it? Okay, I'm not gonna see it. It looks good? Stop!
Oh my god.
Stop! I don't want to see. Stop! Wait, should I just look?
No.
No?
No.
I'm excited! I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait to see it. It's literally behind me, probably.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go more your left. You're gonna hit, yeah. More left, more left.
Ready?
Ready?
Stop! Oh my goodness. Yep, I chose a perfect color. Oh my god, it's so nice. It looks good. Dang, it's beautiful. By the way, this is my favorite color of all time. If you know me, you know this color is literally my favorite. So I'm so excited that I actually went with this color for my car. Low-key, I don't know if I'm gonna change this color. It's so nice. Can't wait for you guys to see it. But yeah, they did an amazing job. I'm gonna do a little walk around right now. You guys won't be able to see the color, but it's so beautiful. Beautiful!
That looks really good.
It's literally like...
It looks way better with that built. Like at first it looked very pale. Like
like it didn't really have like light.
Yeah, I know.
Good because of the contrast too with like the black and the carbon. I feel like it's so good.
Oh yeah, look, the front buckle is fixed. You just gotta replace that URL.
No, yeah, I need to fix this one. I'm gonna replace it. Like
that's
nothing happened. Shout out to Juan. Do you guys love it? I love it. Some of you guys actually guessed this color on my Instagram and I was like, hey, who spilled the beans? But a lot of you guys were actually thinking I was doing like a lavender or a pink. Not a pink, sorry, a lavender or a blue. But no, I decided to do yellow. A little bit of a backstory about me. I actually loved yellow growing up. It was my favorite color. I just loved the color because it resembled happiness for me and just like warmth. So when I decided to wrap my car again, I'm like, let me try to find a good yellow, because the only yellows that I would see were like very bright or, you know, like kind of like very out there. So I decided to go with pastel yellow. I was like, okay, it's a perfect combination. It's a light color, but it's also yellow. And I think it looks amazing. It looks so much different in person. Here on camera, it looks a little bit brighter. In person, it looks more pastel. But it looks so good. Shout out to Vinyl Frog for sponsoring the wrap. They are amazing. Make sure to check out their website. I have the link down below. They have so many colors and their material is just great. The only reason why I decided to wrap it was because I was involved in a hit and run. I went to the beach, somebody hit my car when I was parked, and when I got back from the beach I was like, oh my gosh, it was terrible. That was the reason why I decided to change the color, because I was trying to color match the pink, but because of the sun, and my car is unfortunately not a garage queen, so she sits outside and the sun started, you know, fading the color. So it was very different. Like my bumper would have been a completely different pink versus the rest of my car. So I decided to just change the color altogether. I did have the pink for 1.5 years, so I did enjoy it. I'm super excited for this color. I am obsessed with it. My dilemma was that I wanted to change my wheels. As you guys know, my wheels are black right now, and I was thinking of changing them to a white. Let me know what you guys think. I think it would look so good because of the yellow. I just feel like the white wheels would look so much better, but let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. Should I do it? Should I not? But yeah, overall I'm in love with it. And huge shout out to Sugarcoat. Both ones are amazing. They did such an amazing job. And let me show you guys the damage, which is no longer there. They were able to fix my bumper and it looks just like new. You literally can't tell that it was damaged to begin with. It literally looks like new. And you can just tell their work is amazing. I did just take the car to the car wash really quick because it got dirty. My neighbor was cutting his grass. But it just looks so beautiful in the sunlight. You can just tell my taillights. Obsessed with these taillights. But I just think overall it looks amazing. Let me know if I should change my wheels. But yeah, here she is. They also do body work, so if you guys are involved in a collision, make sure to hit them up. They work very quickly, like I said, and they actually just upgraded their shop to a bigger space, so they're out in Glendale now. I have their Instagram link down below. Let them know I sent you. They'll hook it up. I am also debating on possibly hosting like a meet or maybe even a cruise, so you guys can see the color in person. I know it's like the holiday season, so it might be kind of busy, but let me know if you guys would be willing to go. It'd probably be like on a Sunday, so let me know if you guys are down. Either send me a message through Instagram or comment down below. But yeah, that does conclude my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys love the color. I'm gonna be posting a lot of photos and reels on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me on there at STILIZ, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!